Forum submissions. Forum submissions is all about, have you ever been to a question and answer platform where you can, answer for questions and where you can ask some questions? The best forum submission is a Quora. Have you ever been to Quora, or have you ever, done anything in a Quora like asking any questions or answering any questions? Have you done? Anyone here? See,
No, but
Quora, yes,
no, but I follow Quora.
you follow Quora, but you didn't do anything. Okay, fine. So one of the best forum submission site you can use is Quora. Why? Because it is a question and answer platform where we can answer some questions. So by answering some questions, we can give a link back to our website. So this is what finding out alternative ways to get a quality backlinks to our site. Okay. So now let us say not only Quora, you'll find n number of forum submissions. So you just need to search like this forum submissions, or else if you get into this Busy course also, you'll find the websites. So how we can find out the domain authority and page authority of any websites?
We can check in Google Chitra, like website authority checker, like domain authority checker.
Very good, very good. So apart from that, many premium tools are available. So one day we're gonna discuss about all SEO tools, and that on that day I'll tell you each and everything. So what is that? Forum. So high DA and TA forum submission sites list. Okay. Forum submissions, important of doing these forum submissions, and what are the benefits you will be getting if you do this forum submissions and all. And then next here comes the list. So the list you can see there are few forum submission sites where you can ask some questions and you can answer. So let us, as of now, let's go with the forum. So this we can call it as a Quora marketing. Okay. So Quora marketing is also the best way to get a quality backlinks. So it can be called as a forum submission, or else it can be called as a Quora marketing also. Okay. So now build up your profile very neatly. First of all, have a Quora platform, and then have a bio and all. You can, if you want, you can write some content. You can write blogs also here. So as of now, I do have a Quora profile. So let me add a question. The question is, okay. So this is the question I just want to ask. So okay, so here it will show you some suggestions. So that suggestions is relevant to your query, or else this is your just question. You can just click that. But my question is like, I wants to be show this question as a unique one. So I'll be still adding a question. Okay. So we found similar questions. Is WhatsApp part of Facebook? Why does Facebook buy WhatsApp? Why did Facebook buy WhatsApp for $19 million? Okay, so these are the few similar questions. So if you want, you can just view the answers. So add new question. Hmm, okay, fine. So this is one question I have asked. The next, so in such a way, by questioning, you don't get anything actually. Okay, why? Because I'm just asking a question to know the answer, that's it. But by then you don't get any backings if you ask a question. When you try to answer the question only, you will be getting a backlink. Okay, so now let me try to write some answers. Mm, okay, let me find out if, okay, so no question on this. Difference between, okay, what's the difference between Facebook Ads Manager and Business Manager? So I would like to write a answer for this question. So let me try to answer. So click on this answer, edit option there, you can write an answer. So here I just wrote some kind of information about this Facebook Ads Manager and Business Manager. Okay, so finally what I will do, if you wants to know more about Reach out. Okay. What I have to do now? So you need to give a link back, right? So whatever the process, whatever the method you do, you have to give a link back to your website. Then only there will be some benefits. So if you don't give a link back to your website, then what is the point of writing this much and providing some information? So it's completely like a dumb, right? So we have to give a link. Now what I will do, so I just give a blank back. Select the complete text. There you have option like a link. Enter the URL. Add. So if you want, you can still add some images also. So to show up this information very attractively, you can show up the images as well and then submit. So now this is how, if you want, you can just share this blog in your WhatsApp or else Facebook so that people can view your answer, people can redirect to your website. This is also one way where we can get a backlink. So let me write one more answer. Best SEO tools. Optimizing. So I'm just trying to write a few tools that we can use. So what I will do, my intention is to get a backlink for this keyword. Top 50 tools you can use for SEO. Copy it. And I have a blog on that topic. So this is the blog post URL. Select the text. Okay. So now this is how I write some information and I'll give a link back to my website. Now tell me for which keyword I'm getting a backlink. For which keyword I'm getting a backlink?
Top 50 tools.
top 50 tools you can use for SEO. So when now in such a, if everyone redirect to my website for this keyword, Google will think that acha, this person is redirecting to this website for a keyword called top 50. So this website is famous for this keyword. So I have to make this website on top when someone searches for this query. So in such a way, we can do this Quora marketing. Got it now? Yes. So this is one way we can. The next thing is that guest posting. Guest posting means till now, whatever we do like directories, blog commenting, web 2.0s. So we are getting into the others website and we ourselves doing everything, right? So trying to give a backlink and trying to select the text, everything we ourselves doing. But whereas guest posting is another way and it is the best method you can use for quality, getting a quality backlink. What happens here? Here there will be two people. One person is a publisher and other person is a content owner. Okay. Now let's say, so I'll take examples of your name. So, Maitri and Fun. Now, Funny is looking out for backlink. He is looking out to get a backlinks for his website. So he tried doing directories, blog commenting and all. So now he was trying to do guest posting also. So guest posting means simply requesting the other blogger. So who is relevant to your business? Blogger means a person who write a blogs in his website. So content writer simply. So I want to reach out a very good blogger website and I will be requesting them to give a backlink to my website. Now Maitri is there. So Funny found that Maitri is a very good blogger. So she had very good traffic to her website and her content is also very genuine. So he found her the DNP is also very good. So he thought of getting a backlink. So what he will do, Funny will request a Maitri to give a backlink. Why Funny? Why Maitri will give a backlink simply? So as she is already a famous blogger, so why she will give a backlink to Funny for simply? So that's the reason here. No one will give the backlink freely. Okay. So what Funny will do here? Funny will write a content. Okay. So he will write a content on his own, and this content is given to the Maitri. Okay. So he will be giving the content to Maitri. So and Maitri will be publishing though that content in her website so that she can give a backlink to Funny now. So whereas what benefit this Maitri is getting? So she is getting content for free, right? So she is getting content for free. Somewhere else in the content at the bottom or else in the middle, she will be giving a link back to Funny's website. So what happens here? Here Funny is not getting the link for free. So he is working hard, trying to write a content which is relevant to Maitri's website and asking her to publish that content in her website so that she can give a link back to his website. So this process is completely overall genuine process. There is no kind of spammy here. Again, here also you can perform the three techniques. The free one, free, and what is that? Money. One more thing is reciprocity. Tell me, free one means? So Funny will just give a content and Maitri will publish and give the backing. Money means now Funny have to give a money to Maitri. Okay, it is called premium one. So he has to give a both content as well as money. Content plus money. Whereas free, just a content. If he can give only content, that's enough. Reciprocity. Reciprocity means content plus. So now Funny has to give a content to Maitri. So then what Maitri will ask? Maitri want a backlink from Funny as well. So that then only she can give a backlink to Funny. So if I wants to give you a backlink, you also have to give a backlink to me. This is what a reciprocity means. Got it now. So here in this guest posting also you can perform three ways, whereas directories and Web 2.0s, for these we have things like a free, money, and reciprocity, and for guest posting also we do have these three things. So initial stage you can go with the content only for free. Okay. So later, when you feel that that website is having a more and more traffic and it is very good website, then you can go with the premium also. There is no issues if you go with the premium, but initially try to get a backlinks for free. Okay. How I can find out the guest posting sites? So you can find out the guest posting sites with this formula. Write for us. Okay. Write for us your niche. You have to search like this. A person. So a person means definitely a Maitri. A person who is accepting the articles in his website, he will be having a write for us page definitely in his website. Why? Because he has to showcase, right? So he has to showcase so that people can write the articles for him. So definitely he will be having a write for us page. Then niche, you need to search with your subject exactly. So now my subject is like a digital marketing. If your subject is real estate, you have to search with the real estate. If your subject is like a telecommunication, you have to search with the telecommunication. So in such a way, you have to search like that, so that Google will show up the results exactly who have a right for us page, and the exact niche which you are searching for. Now let us try to search like this. Right for us plus digital marketing. Okay. So right for us, I can see the first result like resultfirst.com and chatterbuzzmedia.com, scmupdates.com, metacompression.com. So you can see many things. Can you see? Directly you're going to a write for us page. Yes or no? Okay. Now let us open digitalnovas.com. Let us open this site and see what they have in their write for us page. Write for us, Digital Novas, become a guest author. Are you looking for guest posting opportunities? So, first of all, you have to read the complete content present in the Write for Us. Okay. I guess you are looking for blogs about digital marketing, SEO, or freelancing that accept guest posts. I am accepting guest posts from 1st of July 2018. Continue reading to find out more about the process and our guest posting guidance. So what he's trying to say here, so this website is accepting the articles. Okay, accepting articles on which subject now? Yes. What is the subject here? So on which topic? Digital marketing.
SEO.
So is that relevant to my website again?
Yes.
Yes. So it is very relevant to my website, so I can proceed with this. Submission guidelines. So now here they have some guidelines how to submit an article. Introduce yourself, show a few samples of your writing, and pitch 3 to 5 topic ideas. Now, let's say Funny is there. So, Funny was trying to request a Maitri. So, directly don't provide them the content. So, like, if you have already a content like about Facebook ads, so don't directly show him the content or else show her the content. First of all, you have to provide him the samples that you have worked till now, and send him the topics like these are the few topics I would like to write about. If you like this topic, just let me know back. So in such a way you have to reach them directly. Don't show up the content. The email must be subject like guest post. Okay, so while you email them, so the subject has to be like a guest post. I will review them and choose one. Write an article outline and send it to me. I'll check it and give you my opinion. Write and submit your guest article along with your author bio and headshot photo. I'll review it, and if I like, I'll publish it. Can you see? Now, so first of all, send them topic. So he will be reviewing that things. If he likes that, he will get back to you and he will ask you to start writing an article, and then you have to send them again. He will review it back, then finally if he like, he will be publishing in his website. Okay, fine. How to submit article? Fine. Article length. So here article length also he is just mentioning at least 1500 words of valuable, engaging, and informative content. Facts, stats, examples, codes, no fluff, no blah blah content, no promotional content. So here he is looking out for some informative content, not a kind of blah 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 as he is already mentioning here. Okay, so try to mention some kind of statistics if you have analytics of images of any analytics you have. So try to mention. So don't always try to promote your business. Let's say some people will be like this, no? Whatever the content they write, so in the middle or else at the bottom somewhere, like at least 2 to 3 times they will repeat, if you want to join digital marketing, reach Digi course. So it is not like a informative, so it seems like a complete promotional thing. Okay, so never ever do that kinds of thing. Again, it has to be genuine. Okay, so here topics, he has mentioned the topics he is covering in his website. So digital marketing, freelancing, social media, influencer marketing, so everything. So this is completely relevant to my website. So important, don't mail me from a Gmail account. I'll not respond. Email me from your most official email. See, so here official email, you required an official email if you wants to send an email. Okay, what is in what is in it for you? You will get one do follow link to informative page, not homepage, not promotional or landing page, within the article body, and another branded anchor link within your author bio, also links to your social profiles. So are you getting a backlink or not? Now let's say I will be writing a content on top 50 SEO tools to use for top 50 SEO tools. He will be publishing that content in his website. Somewhere at the bottom, I will be giving a link back to my relevant article. So here again, he is saying that not to home page. So he won't be giving a link back to my home page. He can give a link back to my relevant article page. Okay, one second. Okay, so here I'm getting a quality backlink. Do follow link I will be getting, but to the only informative page only. Requirement and legal claims. You are responsible for any licensing, copywriting, and permissions for your images. All right. We can do final edits before publishing. Okay. Once we publish the guest post, it becomes our property, but you will be always attributed as an author. So definitely you will be an author, and they have all rights to edit your content and everything. Okay. Get in touch. Use this form to get in touch. Here they have a form. So everything done, everything we are done with, kind of. I have read their guidelines and I'm ready to request him. So now it's time to how to request that blogger. It is very very important. Okay, here some people will provide the Gmail address and some people will provide only the contact form. Okay, here he has provided the contact form, your name and your email address and subject. Subject has to be guest posting again. So here your message. So write a message that yes, so and so, this is what the topics I'm ready to write about. So if you like this content or else if you like these topics, please let me know. I'll be starting writing a blog on this so that you can publish so you can just comment or else message as you in your own words. That's fine. Some people will be mentioning this email address, so you can just send them through email address also. Let me just show you one example that we have already done with.
Chitra, can we use Gmail?
Sorry,
Gmail. They mentioned like
you can.
official email.
So here I'm providing the topic. I'm not directly giving the content for this. So I'm just telling them that I'm ready to write a topic on SEO versus PPC. I believe I can add a value to your site by my writings. If you're interested in this idea, please get back to me and I'll come up with an article idea. Okay. So let me know what you think. I'm excited to hear back from you. Okay, fine. So this is how we send a request to our guest bloggers. Okay, let me show you the reply back from them. So, hi Chitra, nice to meet you. My name is Helvis and I will do my best to make this guest posting a big success. We are following our content strategy, thus we can provide you with our own topic. So here what he's trying to say is that, so they have already a topic on SEO versus VPC. So now they are not accepting the topic on that anyhow. So here he can provide me the topics. Currently we accept guest post on following topic. Google Analytics direct traffic, what is it? So direct traffic occurs, what is direct traffic? Advantages and disadvantages of direct traffic, reducing the direct traffic. So currently they are accepting the articles on these topics. So if you can do some research on these topics, so yes, of course, Google Analytics is relevant to our website only. So it comes in a digital marketing. So he will be asking you within your circle only, not beyond your kind of subject. So that you will be getting a knowledge on that topic as well. Why? Because if you want to write a topic on that, you have to research. Research is the foundation, first of all. So when you can do a lot of research, then only you can write a very good article. Okay. So if he wants to accept the article, definitely it has to be excellent, right? So if you want to write an excellent article, definitely you have to do some lot of researching. Okay. So now here we will be doing some research on this and we can write a blog on that so that we can send it to him. So he will be reviewing it back. Finally, if he likes, he will be publishing so that I'll be getting the backlink. So how much time it would take? How much time it can take to get a backing from this guest posting? Guess.
1-2 days.
1-2 days. Okay. Who said this answer? Funny?
Yes, me only.
Okay, Funny. Funny, you are the person who is looking out for backlinks. Are you going to request only Maitri now? To get a backlink? Are
Yes,
you going
yes.
to depend only on Maitri's website?
No.
No, right? So we will be requesting a multiple blogger same like a Maitri. So
Yes,
now
yes.
here I found a one website like a digitalnovus.com. So likewise, I have many websites here. So I just go through those guidance and I will be requesting each and every blogger. So could you guarantee that each and every blogger, so could you guarantee that you will be getting a reply back from each and every blogger?
No.
No, right? So
Yes.
see, to get a reply back from them only it takes at least 5 to 6 days. So not everyone will check out, though they check out the emails also. So you're the not only one who send them mail. So like you, many people have been sending mails and he has to check each and everything, right? So within
Yes.
1 to 2 days, we cannot do. So it's a long-term process, guys. So at least it takes 10 to 15 business days to get a
Months
back.
also, right?
Months also depends on the website owner, depends on the website content again. Now let's say I have a one more question. Maitri here, Vishnu and Swapna, Lakshman. Now Funny has requested all 4 people like Maitri, Vishnu, Swapna, and Lakshman. 4 people will give a reply back and Funny was ready to write a topic on Facebook ads. Okay, so 4 people wants to publish the topic on Facebook ads. So what Funny will do, Facebook ads topic will be published, will be given to each 4 of them. Yes, so 4 people are ready to publish that topic. So now Funny is ready with this Facebook ads topic. So can he publish the content to each and every person? Okay, now what happened? He will be writing a content like with the 1500 words. That 1500 content will be published by Maitri, published by Vishnu, Swapna, and Lakshman. What happened now? Hmm. So who is the loser? Who is the loser?
Like all those publishers.
All those publishers, right? Then do you think that the publishers will be giving that right to you to publish the same content?
I think no, Chitra.
No, right? Why? Because so they are giving a do follow link for you and you are publishing some duplicate content in their website. Do you think those people are that blind again? No, right? So we have many tools to check out whether it is a duplicate content or not. So first of all, before checking their content, before publishing the content, they will review each and everything. What is meant by review again? So review means they will check out if you have any grammatical mistakes or else if you're doing some promotional content, and they will check whether it is a duplicate content or not. So if it is a duplicate content, they will just directly reject it and you won't get another chance to publish it even. Got it? So now what happens here? Yes, of course, you can request hundreds and thousands of bloggers, but don't send the same content to each and everyone. Okay, so that you will your reputation will be going down definitely. So that website owner never accept your content if it is genuine also next time. Do remember this one. Okay, so in such a way we have to follow this guest posting. Got it now? So if you are concentrating on directory submission, let's say 1000 directory submissions is equals to 2 guest posting backlinks. Can you see now the difference? So how much you work hard for getting a backlinks through directory submission, it's completely waste process, kind of only for few months or only for instant responses it is required. But if you want to have a constant backlinks for future, then it is completely a waste process you can do. Instead of spending a lot of time doing this directory submissions and all, you can spend the time in on guest postings as well. Okay, so you have to perform like this: one day directories and blog commenting, one day directories and web 2.0s, one day web 2.0s and guest posting. So in such a way, don't always depend on only one backlink process. So parallel you have to work on this. Okay, so got it now? Is that clear?